I vote for profit. Hi, Dean Jenkins with followmetrades.com, and this is the market update for the week coming up of October 24th, 2016. Well, there's a headline from CNBC that says the elections are shaping up to be a lose-lose for the stock market. I agree that I think the election is going to cause, regardless of who wins, the election is going to cause the market to go down. That's just where we're at in the market cycle. And the market hates uncertainty, and both candidates are bringing a ton of uncertainty in terms of what it's going to mean for the economic health of the country. And I think everything's on hold right now. If you look at the range that the market is trading in this week, it is incredibly narrow here to here over the last trading week. It's doing nothing. It's a miserable environment for day traders for sure, who really want a trend to get into. And it's a tough environment for position traders, trend traders, pretty much everybody. Earnings results, there's a lot of companies reporting earnings. They're mixed. Some sectors are doing well, some sectors not so well, and it is not moving the market. So the realities are we've got a very bearish pattern forming. Again, after a 7.5-year bull market, we've got a Dow pattern of lower lows, lower highs, new lows. Ichimoku cloud is very thin. Price is under the cloud. We've got what's called bearish divergence, and even as the market was going up, the amplitude is coming out of it in the positive side and going up in the negative side. So we've got very clear technical signals that the market's about to correct, and we're probably going to do nothing. We've got 12 trading days left until the election. After the election, I think we can expect some real volatility, and the probability is to the downside, regardless of the outcome of the election. Now, I'm still taking some long trades in sectors that show real promise, but for the most part, I'm short the broad market. Got some great short trades that are in profit now, and I expect them to be significantly profitable when the market heads down, which is my expectation. I think it's important to be hedged, to have some insurance. Buy and hold investors are not going to be happy when the market begins a major correction. And there's lots of ways you don't have to sit through that. There's lots of ways to profit from a market move either direction. And in my stock pick service, we're taking those trades and we're ready, and we will be hedged, and we will be profiting on dramatic market moves, whichever way it goes. So it'll probably be the same update. It's what we talked about last week, this week, next week, and then we will have the election, and we'll get a real trend going. So that's where we stand for now. But let's take a look at gold and oil, as we do every week. I've been saying for quite a while that I thought the top was put in on gold back here in July. It's meandered down. I believe it's going to continue to drift sideways and down, and gold is not tradable right now. So I'm not taking any positions in gold, long or short, and that's where we stand for the foreseeable future. If and when the big correction to the major indexes starts, there may be another uptrend in gold, and we'll be watching for that, and we'll call it out when it happens. Oil, on the other hand, the bullish correction in oil, clearly underway. It broke out of this channel that we had defined. It continues to put in higher highs, higher lows, new highs. This trend is on. Oil is very tradable to the long side. It's not going to be smooth. Oil is always volatile, but we should expect oil to reach up into the low 60s, the low 80s over time. Won't be immediate, and again, there'll be some volatility on the way, but we're long some oil trades right now and pretty excited about it. Well, that's the update. Again, the indexes are doing absolutely nothing, and they probably won't until after the election, and then the high probability is some pretty dramatic down movement in the market, and for those who are prepared and informed, there's going to be some great profit to be made. So stay tuned. We'll keep the updates coming, and as always, send your questions, your comments. I respond to everyone. Thanks. We'll catch you next time.